Yeah, good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isaac Kamaldin, and this is a segment of my YouTube channel called the Trade Trends episode, where I come to analyze the forex market and give you guys a potential trading opportunities. This is also the channel where I come to document my life journey from being broke to uh, being a billionaire. So, actually, today we are going to kick off with the gold. As you guys, if you've been following my video religiously, you know I said it that the next level target for gold is 2,600. I said it in the last frequency episode for about three last previous episode now. I've been saying it that the next level target for gold is 2,600. The next level target for gold is 2,000, and here we are. The market has hit the 2,600 level, and as you guys can see, when it hits the psychological level, the 2,600, the market pulled back like a lot. You guys can see, if I should go down to the fast time frame, you see that the market there was a rejection, a very big rejection on the level. So that's to show you how powerful the level is. And if you've been following my video from the longest, you see this. I've said it countless number of times that gold, the next level target for gold is 2,600. The next level so, and how did it come about that? So for you guys that are just seeing this video now, this is how we come about it. So there is a term we are going to use for it. Whenever a market is in a range, if the market should break out of the range, it is going to move the for the number of time that it's used to range. Let me take it again. If the market should range for certain period of time, it is going to range for that particular period of time too. So this is what I mean by it. If you should calculate from the height from the support level and the resistance level of the range, then put it at the maybe at the bottom of the range, or the top of the range. Either way, the market break out. If you should take out the resistance, then we are going to place it from the resistance of the line to when the line stops. And in this case, it stopped at 2,500 and 2,585 dollar per ounce for gold. And I said it, if you watch that video, I said it in that video that because of the psychological level, you guys know how powerful the psychological level is. That because of the psychological level, our next level target for gold will be 2,600. Then if you should take it out, then we'll have to find a new resistance level for it, because gold is at all-time highs right now at the moment. So for fundamental traders that doesn't understand what I said, what I mean is that whenever a market is priced in, if it is priced out, because the market was obviously priced in um within the two four 2,433 level, dollar per ounce level, and the 2,300 level per ounce level. So the market broke out of it, and the next level target for it. So what do we do now in this case? That was everything I said was in the past. Our job now is to find entry opportunity, is to find the best trade possible right now. So what are we going to do? As you guys can see, I've mapped out some level pretty nicely. So we'll just be waiting for the gold, for a pullback on gold. So whenever we see a pullback, we are going to enter, because it is this way. If a market should touch a support, a resistance or support level, if at all the market is going to change, it will at least give a reversal pattern. So in this case, there is no any reversal pattern yet. So any pullback that we'll find, we are going to enter, and we'll ride all the way to the upside again. So if it should break it, then you have another high. But if the market didn't break it and it was rejected at the previous high, that is, in this case it will be double top, then we'll know that it is time for us to chill and look what the market is about to do. But in this case, the market hasn't done any of that. So what we just have to do wait is to wait for a pullback. I've actually marked out a decent pullback on this, so we'll be waiting for it. And if I should place my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low, you guys will see it is right at this level too. And I think I also have a trend line that adds to my to my confluence. As you guys can see, it is drawn pretty nicely. So this is a lot of confluence here. The first confluence is the market structure, because whenever this is a let me give the market structure for you. So this is a this is a higher high, higher low, higher high. This is a new higher high. So the market will come here back here to form a higher low. So when the market come back to this level to form a higher low, it will at least go back to form another higher high or equal high. So if you understand the market structure, you understand what I'm trying to say here. And if it is about the support and resistance terms, what I mean is that when the market rejects from the resistance level, it is coming to the nearest support. And so the market has rejected from this resistance level, it will come back to this support here. So if it breaks this level, this trade will be invalid. But if it's rejected from this value, they will be going again all the way to the upside to $2,600 per ounce. And we can see the Fibonacci level supporting it, the trend line supporting it. So it is going to be a nice trade. What we just have to do is to chill and wait. Oh, sorry guys, it is time for prayer. So what we just have to do right now is to chill and wait for the market to come to our level. We don't there's no need for us to rush. We are going to make a lot of money for this. Like I said in that video, actually I failed on this trade. I didn't spot this earlier. So this is a right left shoulder, head and right shoulder. So I was supposed to enter from here, but I wasn't seeing the pattern at the time. So I saw the pattern around there, and you guys know I can't enter from there. It is half of the market already. So I was waiting for the market to come back and retest on this level here. The market didn't do that, so it just spiked all the way to the upside. And that's one of the reasons why I have belief in gold, that the gold is coming back to for some retracement, because when the market broke out of this range, the market didn't retest on it. It just spiked all the way to the upside. So that's one of the reasons why I have a big confidence in gold that this is going to come back here to retest. Then will form an equal high or a new higher high. Like that is your all-time high for gold again. So that's it on gold for today's videos, guys. So you just have to chill. There's no need to rush. That's it for the trade trends episode on gold for today. So actually, this is what's exactly on GPBAUD. Actually, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. I lost the trade on GPBAUD. So what was my bias on GPBAUD is still all the way to the upside. If I should go over to the monthly time frame, I'm going to analyze from the monthly time frame. This is a double bottom. This is the bottom. This is a neckline, and there is a rule with chart pattern is that if at all the chart pattern is not going to hold, it will at least come to the neckline to form like to test the neckline before doing what it has to do. So that's it. That's one of the reasons why like I have a big confidence in GPBAUD, that the next level target for GPBAUD is 2.100. So that's the first case, and for it, and if you guys can see, the market has actually take out almost all the levels, the major levels. The market bounces off the this major level and this major level. And one thing is that if the market should bounce off a major level, the next level target will be the next major level. I don't know if you understand me. Like this is, let's say there is a ceiling and you are the bottom of the, like in the room, you're in a room and you jump. You guys know that you are going to, if you should jump to that ceiling, you are going to bounce off it. And if you should bounce off it, you can't stay at the middle. Like you can't stay on air. You have to come back to the down again. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. You can't stay at the middle. It's either you stay at the top or you are coming down. That's it. That's the principle of life too. There's nothing like you are staying at a particular level. There's nothing like staying at a particular level. You are either growing or you are dwindling. That's how life is, and that's the same concept with trading too. So the market's bound to solve it. This major level, and this is the next major level. So the market is coming here. That's it on the monthly time frame. So let's go over to the weekly time frame and see what's going on. So the market took out this major level too. As you guys can see, that's why I've had a lot of confidence in GPBAUD that it is coming to 2000 well 2000 2.1 thousand um um level. So what's happening on the weekly time frame? As you guys can see, this is the right shoulder, this is the head, and this is the left shoulder. So it broke um the neckline. Like I said the other time, if the market is not going to hold, if the chart pattern is not going to hold, it will at least come to the neckline to test the neckline before doing what it will have to do. Maybe it is going to break it, or the chart pattern is going to fail. But in this case, as you guys can see, the market took out the neckline, came back to the test on it, and that's why we are still on here. This is a very powerful level, so it has been holding the market lately. That's why with me having a lot of trouble going to the upside with GPBAUD. But if I should go to the monthly and daily time frame, you should still see some nice trading opportunities to make money. So what's happening? If I should drop my countdown trend line, you guys can see that there was a break of the countdown trend line. The market came back to retest on it, and one thing is that you guys can see why I'm very 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 confident in this trade is that okay. Let me take it like this. The way I said it for gold, I said if the market should gain for a particular period of time, it is going to trend for that particular period of time too. The same principle that works for the range, it's also the same principle that works for the chart pattern. So if you double bottom, the number of time that a double bottom and the neckline, the number of height that it is, that's the number of time height that the trade is going to trend if at all the markets break the neckline. What I'm trying to say is this. So as you guys can see, I measure from the neckline and the double bottom, then I place it at from where the neckline started. You guys can see that it's broke through it, and you guys see it is right at that level. So I round this up to psychological level. You guys know how powerful the psychological levels is. The psychological levels are. You guys know it is very very powerful. That's why I'm big on it. So I round it up to 1.9 1.9800. It is also a very powerful psychological level. So and the market came back to the test on it. And if I should place my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low, you guys will see it is right on our juicy spot. It is right on our juicy spot. As you guys can see, it is right on the 0.618 level. I've used the Fibonacci level 0.618 level countless of times on here. You guys see how it works. It works like magic. If the market should hold, if the 0.618 level should hold, or the 0.5 level should hold, it is the easiest way to make money in the market, because what you just have to do is to wait for the market to bounces off the 0.618 level or the 0.5 level. Then you find probably a chart pattern on the lower time frame, and you get all the way to the upside. And that's what we've been trying to do from here. Just that because of the fundamentals and a lot happening in the market, because you guys know that the Federal Reserve has just cut the interest rate on the global currency, which is the USD, which is going to affect the market. There's no way anything will happen with the global currency that it is not going to have effect on the market. So that's why we've been having a lot of trouble making money lately with GPBAUD, but there's no worry anymore. All we just have to do is to calm down. We will still make a lot of money. we'll recover our losses and we'll still make a lot of money. So what's like I was saying, if the market should pass it off the 0.618 level, trust me guys, it is going to hold. And the market did just start around there. It came here for like for a near that shoulder pattern, broke through the neckline. The market is currently retesting on it. If I should go over, so we have a lot of space to the upside. And you guys can see the market tested this the 2.00 psychological level. The market bounces off it. So if the market, if at all the market is going to reverse, it will at least come to the psychological level to test it again. I'm giving you guys all the clues that made me that made me uh that made my bias like for me to be confident that the GPBAUD is on its way to the upside. So that's it on daily time frame for it. So we did our analysis from the weekly time frame to the from the monthly time frame to the weekly time frame to the daily time frame. Sorry guys, I don't know if you guys might be hearing some voice. It is my kid sister playing around, so I just don't want to interrupt this video. That's why I haven't cautioned them yet, so I'm very sorry for this. So but if you can't hear the noise, just stay tuned and enjoy this video. So like I was saying, the market form a double bottom, broke out of it. It is currently retesting on it. So do we have to do for us to be interested in GPBAUD? We'll just wait for this counter trend line to break. When this counter trend line break, we'll just ride all the way to the upside. Our first level target will be this 100% retracement, which is 1.9700. Then if the market should take that out, our next level target will be 1.9800. If the market should take that out, you just have to ride all the way to 2.000, which I know for fact that the market is going to do just that. The reason why the market has been moving mad lately is because of the fundamentals. So there's nothing to bother us. So that's just the two pair I'm going to be analyzing for today's video. So by weekend, I'm going to come on here again to analyze more pairs for us so we can make a lot of money. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please make sure you subscribe, comment, and like my videos. Thank you guys.